Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best pure burners on the market, Jacked Factory's Burn XT. This isn't just any fat burner. It's been clinically studied to boost metabolism and curb appetite, making it a potent tool for your fitness journey. Burn XT stands out because it's not a magic pill. It's a supplement designed to complement a solid diet and exercise plan. Packed with key ingredients like caffeine, green tea extract, and Capsamax cayenne pepper extract. It's engineered to help you achieve your weight loss goals without sacrificing muscle mass. What sets Burn XT apart is its science-backed formula. It's crafted in a CGMP-certified facility, ensuring quality and purity without unnecessary fillers or artificial additives. This transparency means you know exactly what you're putting into your body, a crucial factor in choosing any supplement. For optimal results, take Burn XT as directed, usually 1 to 2 capsules per day. Avoid consuming additional caffeine sources like coffee on the same day to prevent overstimulation. Always check the expiration date before use to ensure potency. In conclusion, if you're looking to enhance your weight loss journey with a scientifically proven supplement, Jacked Factory's Burn XT is a solid choice. Remember, supplements are meant to complement, not replace, a healthy lifestyle. With proper diet and exercise, Burn XT can help you achieve your fitness goals effectively and safely. That wraps up today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product critiques. Drop a comment below if you've tried Burn XT or have any questions. Until next time, stay healthy and stay tuned to Product Critique.